Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 AMC AMX with a 390 and a 4-speed, and looks like it could be the optional leather interior in it as well. And it's got some day 2 wheels on it, some Kragers, and has the Mark Donahue spoiler on it, which is nice. And of course, big bad green license plate on it from California, where I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego. And this is a one of the regular cars that's usually here. It's owned by a big AMC fan, and he owns several AMC cars. This is just one of them, and this is one of his main drivers. And with the 390 and a 4-speed, it'll get around pretty good, I would imagine. As far as the numbers go on the AMX, 1970 was the last year for it, and was also the year they made the fewest. In 1970, they only made a total of 4,116 AMXs, and this one's a 390 with the 4-speed. They made the most, 1,632, and 390 automatics, they made 901, and in the 360, they made 836 with the 4-speed and 747 with the automatic, and that was your total of 4,116.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.